Pro out here, replacing the locks on the camper, which we are now calling Genesis 2.0. Getting this done today, so at least we can lock it up. There were no keys that came with this camper, so we're step one. And bring your hose to where you need it to be. But I thought you were moving this one. You gonna leave it here? Yeah. Pull it. What about in your center console in your truck? What are those keys? Well, all the keys work, right? To the same.